What's going on, guys? We're hopping right into it. I've been ice fishing all weekend long. Needless to say, well, you know, I'll give you a little recap. So this happened yesterday.
All right, so far, not the best outcome yet, huh? Where they at though?
So nothing at the first spot. Actually, it was supposed to be the only spot, but that didn't work out in our favor. So we're gonna go to a pond. Literally went downtown and came all the way back up to a suburb. Now we're headed up the street to another pond. I don't even know anything about this pond. I've never even caught a fish here. I literally took prom pictures here. That's why I know about this pond. So we're gonna see what happens. I don't know. All right, we got hardcore skunked. We went to Lake Erie, complete bust. It sucked. It was a struggle. From there, we went over to another pond that was literally just stocked with trout. Couldn't figure that out either. So, needless to say, I resorted to the place I've been fishing all week. It's my buddy's pond. I'm here with another buddy. He's never ice fished before. So, goal for today is to try and get my buddy on his first ice fish. And for me, I want to get a pig of a bass. I brought everything I possibly could. You know, everything in my brain that I know is gonna get it done today. So,
Take a big heavy pull, get your ice started, because you know, when you and your boys are too cheap to afford a nice auger, because you know, you're just balling on a budget, that's how you get it done. It goes right through like butter. You're just gonna hold it for the tension. Yeah. And you can give it a little jig every once in a while, but with the bluegill and stuff like that, you can almost just let it sit there, and you'll feel like a little pop, little dun, like right now. Watch, see, bite, fish, just like that. Boom, in like 2 seconds. So just pop it. You'll feel them down there, and they're gonna be stacked up down there. And there you go. So that's like what we're dealing with here. That's like the typical size. It's kind of, they'll usually hit it on the way down. Like that's the other reason I don't like using sinkers. Like a lot of people are like, oh, it'll get to the bottom faster. But when you let that gradually fall down there, they tend to hit it on the way down. So then you just pop them back in there. You're good to go. So pick a hole and get her done. Just show my buddy how to do it, hopefully. So we'll see. I think so, yeah. That's a good spot. No, go ahead. I'll just stick over there. They should be stacked up. I mean, all these holes are gonna be pretty good, so. And that's how you get it done, guys. That's how you get it done.
Minnows, I got waxworms, I got night crawlers, I got mealworms, I think that's everything I've named. That's all I got, but we got like literally hole. It's like I made this pond like a piece of cheese. It's like Swiss cheese. I know there's big bass in here. They gotta be down here. Your boy's stressing because I only got like 2 hours. I've been fishing all weekend. It's been skunk city. But I mean, everybody where I've been going has been getting skunked. It's not just me, so you know what I mean? Like, it's just one of those days. This is like, it's getting really warm. It's still early on in the winter, but we're not getting cold weather anytime soon. It's gonna be like the 30s, so I mean, this is already melting. Like, I shouldn't even be on it, but you know what? I gotta catch a fish. I got a buddy here who's never ice fished before. He's gotta catch a fish. So we got a lot to get done in 2 hours here.
There we go, baby. Finally, broke the ice a little bit, but still, there's still gills. There's still gills. I'm looking for something bigger. Ooh, get me a nibble. Oh, that's a good size one. The gills they're big, but not quite there yet. You guys now decide it's feeding time? There you go, little buddy. Still fun to catch, so not complaining. Oh, come on, Gillies, give me something to work with here. Little guy. How's it going over there? You getting hit still? They're still awesome little thing. Whoa! Sorry, buddy, scoot you in there. Get a new I'll go back to the wax worm just to see what happens. Oh, here we go. Ready? Oh, want a bass so bad. I'm laying the bluegills out like crazy though. And then I come over here and bye-bye. Wax worms flying off in the corner. No, do it. No. I'm not even kidding you.
I'm good where I am.
Just go like right here. Pound the hole in there and put one in there. I'm not even kidding you. Or to my right. I don't know. Whatever one. They're just over here nailing them, and you're over there like.
Yeah, ice is definitely thicker over here.
I don't know why I don't bring the wax worms over here. I'm kind of. Drill a hole right next to me, steal my fish. Just.
I wouldn't be too worried.
You can take this hole if you want it. You want to work for it? You got to work for it.
I'm working for it, baby.
I like that. I'll tell you what, if that one goes off, I'll let you reel it in if you don't catch one. Hey!
An eater.
Woohoo!
Catch fish.
Mini slabs, baby. These are actually, yeah, these are, ow, he spiked me. Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, I know. Here, I'll put you in my, but I mean, dude, it's like every cast. Look at that, already. Oh, little sucker got away. They're loving the waxies, yeah. Little wax worm action. These are old too. When you feel the second tug, set that hook. Reel up your tension, dip your tip down. Ah! Drop your tip all the way down. Let your line back out. I always, when I get a bite, yo, check it. I always dip down forward like this. Yeah. When I feel that official bite, I rip up. Come on, you got this. I gotta cross off one of the goals. If it wasn't a slaunch bass, I had to catch my friend his first ice fish. There you go. Yeah, baby. A little dink, but you got one.
Yeah.
Look at where memories are made.
Look at that.
Well, hey, it's your first ice fish and it's tiny, but it's all right. Hey, there's more down there. That'd be cool to double up. Oh yeah, he's got a lot of purple in there.
Cool.
Dope. It's just a little scan down. I don't even know if you can see it, but yeah, heck yeah. Just putting them out over here. My friend's over here passing me up. There we go. It's not what I want though. But we're nailing them. It's PanFish madness, bro. You know what I mean? So, hold on. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. I'm literally talking about my dad buying cars over here. I want my wax worm back.
You taking it off?
There she blows. Little one. Little guy. Little sherbert. That's what I'm gonna call you. Boop. Take it, buddy. Take it. Oh. I saw on my Instagram. And another one. All right, I'm gonna catch another one and call it a day. The minnows let me down today. It depresses me. So many panfish. This pond's so fun to fish, but it's loaded with bass. And I've tried spoons. I've tried jigs. I tried rattle traps. I tried just about everything, and they were like, nah. So we're coming back with a fish finder. We're gonna put a hurting on the bass. You understand? You understand that, Joseph?
I got you.
Bagging a lipper. All right, and then this is the fish we're gonna end it on right here. Oh, and it's a bluegill. That's all right though. Let this go. We'll switch over to the big camera. Give a little day recap. And yeah. Unfortunately, we got to pack it up. I got stuff I got to get taken care of today. But thank you guys so much for watching another episode. You know, the panfish, it's not that crazy to watch. It's super fun to do. So if you guys haven't tried that,
get out there and do it. You know, if it gets cold again, I'd like to come out here and try and get a full day targeting bass. You know, it's crazy because this pond is loaded with bass. I actually have videos of me fishing here in the summer, and like every cast I'll catch a bass, but I can't seem to find them. I don't have a flasher. I can't necessarily depict, you know, the layout of the lake of where I want to fish, so I'm kind of just fishing shallow, and you know, that's why we're getting so much panfish. But even today, you know, all around the lake, I left minnows sit out there, and I couldn't even get a bite on that. So sometimes, you know, that's just how it goes. I say that a lot, but it's true. And it's currently 50 degrees. I'm literally in a hoodie right now, ice fishing, so that's crazy. And so everything's melting. It's getting super sketchy. We're literally fishing on like maybe 3 inches of ice if we're lucky, and it's melting as we speak. So for now, it's the last ice fishing hurrah, but you know, winter's just getting started, so hopefully it gets cold again and we can get back out here. If not, when the snow melts and the rivers clear up, we're gonna be hitting steelhead hard. So thank you guys so much for watching another episode. And oh, by the way, we're gonna go like 2 or 3 more days on this gift card giveaway. So if you guys haven't been on that Cabelas gift card giveaway, I know I'm like losing my train of thought, link in bio, go ahead, click on that video and go enter that. So maybe you'll be a winner. Otherwise, that's all we got. We did pass up the goal though. I got my buddy on his first ice fish, so that's dope. Yeah, that's about it. I'll catch you later, guys. Peace out.